in a way that you become the talk of the nation, right? So कैसे आप वो करोगे, क्योंकि हम ये चीज बार बार रिपीटेडली कर चुके हैं. We have made and combined all the 6 years of experience I have in this into a very simplistic formula जो हर कोई इंसान जाके यूज कर सकता है, implement कर सकता है, right? And some good news is, like, guys, the power packed session on content creation with Nawaz, guess what, we have it coming in July. He's taking an exclusive batch for all of us, as we said, 4 weeks where he's gonna come, walk you through how to go super viral on Instagram, and you're gonna do it together, and you guys get access to ViralX as well. Now, ViralX is one of the applications I love the most. ViralX एक ऐसा ऐप है जिसमें we have put down a very good amount of money, right, at a multi-crore 8-figure valuation. And because आप लोग मेरे एक extended family हो, because आप लोग मेरे एक extended community members हो, you guys are getting the first dibs of it, right? The app is not launched to public yet. When it's gonna be, like, launched, you'll all know it's gonna be a big launch. You're gonna have big players coming in. But Kyuki, you guys are part of one of our extended families and communities. You guys are gonna get access to ViralX application as well, and you guys are also gonna get जो नवाज का 4 weeks का program है, which he actually sells for, like, I think 30 or 50,000 rupees. You guys are gonna get that completely for free, right? So 4 weeks, implement together, build your Instagram portfolio, and all these things. Yeah, excited and happy, everybody? Yes? Somebody give me a wow in the chats if you're excited for that also. As I told you, right, the course कब का एंड हो जाना चाहिए था, बट वी आर जस्ट alonging it because we want to give and add as much value as we can possibly do. जितना ज़्यादा वैल्यू वी कैन ऐड, दैट्स द मोस्ट अमेजिंग थिंग दैट कैन एवर हैपन. आई एम सीइंग द एक्साइटमेंट इन द चैट्स. ग्रेट. सो अब आ जाते हैं टू द बेसिक्स एंड द फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स, राइट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गाइस वांट टू लर्न द फंडामेंटल्स जो आपको कभी गलत नहीं जाने देंगे? एग्जाम्पल, राइट? Let's say you were to pay me 60 lakh rupees, right? I charge that for working for 6 months now. I used to do that for 1 year, but now my rates have updated, and now we charge 30 lakhs for 3 months and 60 lakhs for 6 months plus royalties. अगर लेट्स से आप मेरे को 60 lakhs पे करते हैं, मिनिमम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज 6 months, एंड प्लस रॉयल्टीज, हाउ वुड आई गाइड यू on your business, right? How would I take the right strategies in your business? क्या क्या fundamentals है जो मैं यहाँ पे apply करूंगा? That's what I'm going to teach you right now, right? So how many of you guys built your own software? Yes, give me a me in the chats. किन किन ने अपना खुद का एक सॉफ्टवेयर बिल्ड करा है? गिव मी अ मी इन द चैट्स. यस, परफेक्ट. अब मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूं, राइट? आई गिव यू वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सीक्रेट्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम, एंड इफ यू जस्ट वंडरिंग वेयर एम आई राइट नाउ, मैं आपको छोटी सी कहानी बताता हूँ. आई वॉज इन साउथ अफ्रीका फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 28 days. देन आई वॉज इन बैंकॉक फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 12, no, man, almost 6 plus 6, yeah, almost 12 to 13 days. So I was out of India for almost 40 days, right? And because I was out of India, then I came back to India, though then I spent at my place, and then I'm on road again. I was 2 days in Mumbai, 2 days in Delhi. Right now I'm in Delhi, and 2 days I'm going somewhere else for some important meetings. Now, why am I back on the road immediately, right? मैं इसलिए आई एम बैक ऑन द रोड इज बिकॉज आई बीन मीटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स. आई बीन मीटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन द प्राइवेट equity world. आई एम मीटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर राइटिंग बिग चेक्स फॉर बिग कंपनीज. एंड मैं क्लियर डायरेक्शन देख रहा हूं जहां इंडस्ट्री मूव हो रही है, राइट? हाउ मेनी गाइस वुड लव टू नो more insights about that? Give me a me in the chats, guys. Give me a me in the chats, ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to know about all these insights. अगर ये सारे insights के बारे में आप थोड़ा सा एक hint जानना चाहते हैं, because of course it's hours and hours of conversation with people. like एक इंसान 300 करोड़ मैनेज कर रहा है, एक इंसान 1000 करोड़ मैनेज कर रहा है, and we are sitting with them on meetings and understanding where the industry is evolving. अब मैं ये इसलिए बोलना चाह रहा हूँ because this will help you a lot. बिकॉज अगर आप कुछ बड़ा बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं, यू बेटर फोकस ऑन द राइट डायरेक्शन. ओके, how many of you guys agree that for a big company like OpenAI or Anthropic or all of these companies or X to wipe off any business, for them it's the easiest thing in the world, right? How many guys agree that? Give me a me in the chats. Yes. Give me a me in the chats if you agree with me. Example, मान लीजिए आपने एक ऐप निकाला, राइट? आपने मान लीजिए कंटेंट क्रिएशन के ऊपर एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया, एंड लेट्स से यू लॉन्च दैट सॉफ्टवेयर एंड कंटेंट क्रिएशन. अब मान लीजिए आपने उसको $100 million के रेवेन्यू पे खींच दिया, राइट? लेट्स से यू हैव स्केल्ड दैट सॉफ्टवेयर $200 million इन सेल्स. You know what's gonna happen? The next day, OpenAI or Anthropic is gonna launch a free application that does the same work, and guess what's gonna happen? Your whole business is gonna die. Does that make sense? Your whole business is gonna die. I'll give you a solid example. How many of you guys know Canva here? Give me a me in the chats. किन किन को Canva के बारे में पता है? Give me a me in the chats. Okay, perfect. Now, all of you guys know about Canva. Canva has crossed $100 million in revenue. And guess what Claude launched? Can you all think and let me know what was it in the chats, guys? Can you all tell me Claude ने क्या launch करा? Claude has launched Claude Design. And the moment Claude has launched Claude Design, Canva stocks crashed. Because जिस चीज का Canva is charging a lot of money, Claude Design is practically doing 100 times better job at 100 times cheaper money and more utility. Again, pay close attention, okay? This is a very, very big insight. समझ में आ गया तो your minds will be blown away, right? And you can count this as like 100 crore conversation because दो तरीके के लोग होंगे. पहले लोग जो इसको actually depth में समझेंगे and who can actually take this and like speed and skyrocket के साथ वो scale करेंगे, and दूसरे लोग कुछ नहीं करेंगे and just बैठे रह जाएंगे, right? So pay close attention. And by the way, is this insight helpful for you? Yes? Give me a mind blown MB in the chats if this is blowing your minds. Just like this, आप कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर लॉन्च करोगे, उसका अगर मार्केट में डिमांड होगा, उसका अगर मार्केट में यूजर बेस होगा, एंड लेट्स से अगर आप $100 million के रेवेन्यू तक पहुंचा देते हो, तो आपका बिजनेस इमीडिएटली शट ऑफ हो जाएगा. बिकॉज कल अगले दिन वो उठ के वो प्रोडक्ट बना देंगे. Does that make sense? Now, what's the way around? So when I was talking to all of these investors, they told me clearly there are three ways where you can focus on. Okay, you should not build a mainstream solution कि मैं सबके लिए कुछ बना रहा हूं, because if you do that you are in a big risk and you're big danger, क्योंकि कभी भी कोई भी आके आपको रिप्लेस कर सकता है. Is that clear, everybody? Give me a clear in the chats. Yes, give me a clear in the chats if that is clear. ठीक है, perfect. Now there are three areas where you can build. Okay, three areas. How many? Everybody give me a 3 in the chats, guys. Everybody go ahead and give me a 3 in the chats. Okay, and please write this down and please pay close attention to this. I am just gonna quickly open my screen share, and I'm gonna share my screen with you guys. Rishabh, if you're there, okay, perfect. Rishabh, can you see my screen?
Yep. Screen is visible.
All right. So there are three things where even the big folks are betting on. Okay. How many? Once again, everybody give me a 3 in the chats. Fatafat. Go ahead and give me a 3 in the chats. Yes. All right. Perfect. Now, what are these three things? Let's understand. सबसे पहली चीज, everybody write this down, is called as vertical SaaS. Please write this down. It's called as vertical SaaS. Now, what do you mean by vertical SaaS? एक vertical SaaS होता क्या है? Think about it like this. पूरे दुनिया में there are a lot of different subcategories. Example, आपको रियल एस्टेट एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको इंश्योरेंस एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको D2C ई कॉम एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको कोचेस का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको रिटेल का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको ट्रेडर्स का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको स्टॉक मार्केट का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको प्रोटीन का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको डाइट एंड फिटनेस का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा. हाउ मेनी गाइस एबल टू गेट मी ऑन दिस? Yes, how many is able to get me on this? So you need to find your own category. ठीक है. अब वो कैटेगरी आप कैसे ढूंढोगे जिसमें आपको सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट और पैशन हो. लेट्स से आप रियल एस्टेट में हैं, या लेट्स से आप सेल्स में हैं, लेट्स से आप मार्केटिंग में हैं. So you can actually go ahead and choose that part. And now you build the solution for that market. इट्स कॉल्ड एज वर्टिकल सैस. इसका मतलब क्या है? अच्छा एक बात बताओ, इफ लेट्स से यू गो आउट देयर एंड बिल्ड अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर रियल एस्टेट पीपल. लेट्स से आपने एक एआई एजेंट बनाया जो ऑटोमेटिकली जाके ऐसे लोगों को ढूंढ लेता है जो प्लॉट्स खरीदना चाहते हैं, लेट्स से इन मुंबई और चेन्नई और या जो भी लोकेशन आप डालते हैं, एंड ऑटोमेटिकली वो उनको जाके रीच आउट भी कर लेता है. इट डज एवरीथिंग फॉर यू. लेट्स से यू बिल्ड एन एआई एजेंट लाइक दैट. ओके, डू यू अग्री दैट रियल एस्टेट पहले इतना छोटा मार्केट है कि एंथ्रोपिक या क्लॉड या ओपन एआई या इवन ग्रॉक वन इन रियल एस्टेट मार्केट, क्योंकि वो मार्केट भी बहुत छोटा है एंड उनका वो प्रायोरिटी नहीं है एंड उनका प्रायोरिटी मासेस है. वो कभी एक नीश में आके कभी भी एंट्री नहीं लेंगे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गाइस अग्री विद मी? गिव मी अग्री इन द चैट्स. Again, this is a very, very, very important conversation. Smart people will really get their minds blown away. So we know एक जगह जहां हम safe हैं and जहां we can command any prices that we want, right? Is the place where you need to start building immediately. Example देता हूं. दो तरीके के लोग होंगे. First type of person would be, hey, I will build you a beautiful 3D animation website. Okay? First. Second person, hey, I will build you a beautiful 3D animation website for your real estate portfolio. So whenever a customer lands there, they can visually experience how the place would look like. अब ये दो अलग अलग पिचेस हैं. Let's say you go out with the first pitch in the market that, hey, I will help you build a 3D animation. The client or the customer is just going to be like, but वो तो मैं क्लॉड से बना लूंगा. Because you're going. But the second side, when you say, I will build you a custom 3D animation website for your personalized real estate property, जो कि customers आते ही they will visually be able to understand कि ये जगह कैसी है and they'll be able to feel the vibes of it. अब tell me something, real estate वाले लोग सबसे ज्यादा आलसी होते हैं, yes or no in the chats? They are the most laziest people of all time, yes or no in the chats? Absolutely. And they would never come to you and tell you कि बॉस मैं क्लॉड से बना लूंगा, because उनको क्लॉड पता भी नहीं है और पता भी होगा तो भी वो बनाना नहीं जानते. So in that market अगर आपने एक दो एग्जांपल्स भी उनको दिखा दिया, let's say you showed just one or two examples to them, and if their minds are blown away, boss, they'll immediately write a check to you and have you build their website. Right? Give me a mind are blown away. Right? Give me a mind blown in the chats if your minds are absolutely blown away. Yes? How many is able to get me, right? How many is able to get me here? How many is able to understand me? A CRM. That's option number one. Or option number two, I will build you a personal CRM for your insurance sales. which will literally reach out to them, track their progress, everything in one place. Which do you think will sell more, one or two in the chats? Yes, it's two. Absolutely. You guys are smart. Why would second number sell the most? क्योंकि how many guys agree इंश्योरेंस वाले अगेन सबसे ज्यादा आलसी होते हैं. Give me a lazy in the chats if you get it. Yeah, you know that. You know that they are lazy. And guess what? When I do it for them, they are good at insurance. They are not good at AI, boss. There are only like top 1% of people जो अभी time spend भी कर रहे हैं to learn things like AI. That's why I can confidently say जितना भी अभी आपको आता है आप ऑलरेडी एक टॉप 1% प्लेयर में हो. They are not spending even 5% of the time that you are spending to learn AI or let alone build with it. Does that make sense, everybody? So, guess what happens? When you show them ki I can build you a personalized CRM according to your needs, they are like, take my money. I'll give you a third real life example. So, for a lot of people, I run like a holding company where we have a lot of partner companies. See, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me post a story kuch din pehle, which was like, hey, I'm looking for some UGC video ads creator for, creating mass videos, mass ads, UGC ads, AI ads for our partner companies. How many guys saw that? Yes? Let me know in the chat. How many guys saw that? Yeah, perfect. You all saw that. So if you saw that, आपको पता होगा कि naturally कितने responses आए होंगे because a lot of you guys also saw it and a lot of you guys also responded back to me on that part. And funnily, I landed upon one mutual friend of mine, which was very long back. He came to one of our events in Goa and he shot the entire event and I freaking loved it. And he was like, Shubh, I can help you with that. And I'm like, cool. So like, okay, first, listen, we would need like 300 videos a month or 500 videos a month. Can you do it at that scale? So he said, yeah, sure. I have 10 people in my team who are editors. I had 25 ka team. I cut it down to 10 because of AI. And I can definitely do that for you. I'm already doing for this brand. I'm like, okay. So I just simply asked him, ki, dude, what's your monthly revenue? Because he's a friend. मैंने बस यूं ही पूछा, भाई, what's your monthly revenue? And he said, brother, I'm just doing like 3.5, 4 lakhs a month. And I'm like, dude, ये इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. आजकल यूजीसी एड सबसे ज्यादा चल रहे हैं. यू आर लिटरली हैविंग अ हॉट सर्विस एंड यू आर सेइंग कि यू आर ओनली मेकिंग 3.5, 4 lakhs a month. Why is that? He asked me the strange questions like, Shubh, I don't know what makes you say ये एक हॉट इंडस्ट्री है. लोग तो मेरे से खरीद नहीं रहे हैं. फिर आई आस्क्ड कि हाउ आर यू सेलिंग इट. फिर उसने बोला कुछ नहीं यार, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग पीपल दैट इफ यू वांट यूजीसी वीडियोस आई एम द वन फॉर यू, सो आई कैन हेल्प यू क्रिएट इट. मैंने बोला यस ब्रो, बिकॉज द मोमेंट आई हियर दैट माई फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट इज लाइक मैं भी बना लूंगा एजेंट पे जाके. व्हाई वुड आई नीड यू? मैं भी बना लूंगा हैरी की ट्रेनिंग देख के. व्हाई वुड आई नीड यू? एम आई राइट गाइस? हाउ मेनी गाइस वुड थिंक लाइक दैट एज वेल? Yes, 100% right. Perfect. So I said कि भाई यूजीसी की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत किसको है? So उसने बोला भाई यूजीसी की जरूरत सबसे ज्यादा दो लोगों को है. So he said edtech companies and he said e-commerce companies. तो मैंने उसको बोला ओके परफेक्ट. सो आज से आपका एक रूल है, कोई भी एडटेक या ई कॉमर्स के बाहर है आप उनको मना कर दोगे. भले वो आपको कितना भी पैसा दे रहे हो. He said, okay. So I was like, okay, now go out to e-commerce owners only and tell them, hey, if your e-commerce brand is struggling with profits, is struggling with getting a lot of sales, it's probably because you don't have a lot of UGC videos that looks damn real. Right? And I can help you create 100 UGC ads a month that wouldn't even feel like it's AI, and give it to you, which would make your brand go viral, get a lot of customers, and help you build a big brand. Now, guess what happened? So he just took the same line, he posted on a story. Surprisingly, 3 clients immediately texted him back. And funnily, he added another 2 lakhs a month in recurring just from these 3 clients, specifically in e-commerce. क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत एक यूजीसी वीडियो के for UGC videos, it's e-com businesses. How many guys are mind blown? Give me a MB in the chats. Yes? How many guys are mind blown? Give me an MB in the chats. Right? So it's about picking your niche. तो सबको समझ में आया, right? I hope by the way, yes. I hope I have given you enough examples about vertical SaaS कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा what in the world is a vertical SaaS, right? Vertical SaaS or vertical service. Now second one I would say, मैं इसको second में ही break कर देता हूँ, which is, write this down, service as a software. Please write this down. Please write this down. Service as a software. SaaS का डेफिनेशन क्या होता है? सॉफ्टवेयर एज अ सर्विस. मतलब आप लोग पता है कैसे सोचोगे? यू गाइस वुड थिंक इट लाइक दिस. यू गाइस वुड बी लाइक, अच्छा मैं एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाऊंगा and I'm gonna go ahead and sell that software. Yes or no in the chats? So you're gonna be like, okay, I've joined Unfair Advantage. I know how to build a software now. So I'm gonna build a software. I'm gonna start selling the software. Yes or no in the chats? Okay, yes, 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 yes. Okay, perfect. But again, I'm gonna give you 2 different pitches. Tell me which one would you go for? Option number 1. Hey, use my AI to build your personalized diet and personalized nutrition that you like. Option number 2. Hey, how about we create you a personalized diet and a personalized nutrition plan in less than 4 hours, where our team manually sits it and checks all the data of all the people who have gotten results just like your body shape, and we give the personalized reports to you. So can you tell me किसमें perceived value ज्यादा है and आप कौन सा वाला खरीदेंगे? Option 1 or option 2? Let me know in the chats. Perfect. Everybody says 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Can somebody tell me why? मैं बताऊं क्यों? क्योंकि AI has its own judgment. अगर आपको पता चल गया ना कि यार मेरे रिजल्ट्स AI से आ रहे हैं, तो आप बोलोगे यार शायद उतना अच्छा नहीं होगा. Am I right? So what I'm saying is shift the perspective and shift the angle. सेकेंड वाले में भी सर्विस डिलीवर एआई ही करेगा, बट आप वो चीज मेंशन नहीं कर रहे हो. आप एआई से ही फुलफिल करोगे, बट आप वो मेंशन नहीं कर रहे हो. डज दैट मेक सेंस? So you are saying that, hey, let me do that manually for you, and backend mein you are using AI. So it's not software as a service anymore, it's service as a software. Does that make sense, everybody? How many guys are mind blown? Yes. Okay, I'll give you a perfect another example. I have a friend of mine. He's an architect designer, and he's like, Shub, typically for us to build an like a design of a like a floor, like a floor mapping or whatever, it technically takes us around 6 to 10 days if it's like ultra luxury and damn good, you know. So Shub, we have built this entire software जहाँ पे मैं बस मेरे ड्रीम फ्लोर या घर या कमर्शियल ऑफिस का फोटो डाल देता हूँ, एंड इट गिव्स द एंटायर फ्लोरिंग प्लान फॉर मी, लाइक एंटायर स्केच of it according to the way I want it and according to the floor that I have. And it's all AI. So he was like, I think I'm going to market it this way that, hey, use this AI to build your floor plan yourself. मैंने बोला